Okay, here we have question 3. You're given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Explain whether each statement is true or false. What I did is I basically color coded so you can get a better visual understanding. So the first vertex is red, so A is corresponding to the vertex of D. B, which is the middle one, green, is corresponding to E, and C is corresponding to F. Color coding this is actually going to give you a better understanding of it, because if you look at the ratio, right, it's red green over red green. That makes sense. And the other side is green then blue, green and blue, right? Or you could think about like first and second, and second over 3 and second over third. Okay, so notice that the colors match. That means that the proportion is set up correctly, because the left side ratio is set up based on the corresponding length, right? Red over green, red green over red green on the left side. On the right hand side, green blue over green blue. Okay, the proportional is set up based on the corresponding length equaling each other. Likewise, B is the same way. Okay, you have blue red over blue red is equal to red green over red green. And again, we will say true because the proportionality is set up with a corresponding length equaling each other. And the last one, angle A is congruent to angle F. That is false. In similar triangles, you can actually say the red part of A is congruent to the red part of angle D, right? The first letter, it has to be corresponding to the first letter. Okay, so that is the only one that's technically false.